Hello everyone, my name is Adityan. I am here to explain about why the sky is in blue color and why sun looks oval during sunrise and sunset and looks circular during noon. So first, blue color of sky. Due to Rayleigh scattering of sunlight, light from sun gets scattered from large number of molecules in the atmosphere. The intensity of scattered blue light is about 16 times more than that of red light because of its wavelength. Hence the blue color dominates and sky appears blue. Next, why sun appears oval at sunrise and sunset but appears circular at noon. During sunrise and sunset, the sun is near the horizon. The rays of sunlight from upper and lower parts of sun bend unequally on traveling through Earth's atmosphere. So sun appears oval. At noon, sun is overhead. So sunlight enters Earth normally. Therefore, no refraction or no bending happens. Hence, sun appears circular at noon. Thank you.